Good morning, people. Chef Olive Kitchen on Fire. I was looking for some popcorn to buy for a snack for me for someone, and I realized the popcorn is really terrible. The one you can find in the store. So I'm going to show you how to make it super easy, basic stuff. Okay, so here we go. All I need is some popcorn. Literally this guy. It's called popcorn. Just then I need some butter. I'm going to work with the cast iron today. Let's see if I can see it well. Yes. And a lid. Cool? Alright. First I'm going to go on medium heat. Needs to heat up a little. Just like a minute or two. Get my butter ready. Ready? Okay, my butter. Alright. Get this guy ready. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to check to see the temperature. Avocado oil. 1 big tablespoon. Medium heat. Let's give you a little bit of. Okay. So first thing you need to do is see when this one is ready. When the oil is ready, it's going to pop. The dairy. Patience. There you go. Alright. So I'm ready to go. Ready? I'm going to shake really well. You heard it. It's getting crazy now. Great. Great. It's pretty cool. Cool. I'm gonna stop now. Boom. So there might be some in the bottom that are not cooked. I'm gonna leave it for like this for a couple of minutes, and I'm gonna put it out. Cool. That's it. Get a spoon. Put that in there. All right, let's see. Beautiful, look at that. Butter is gone. Now I'm gonna do a little salt, a little smoked paprika. Beautiful. Look at that. Perfect. Wow. It's pretty easy, huh? Guys. Great. Popcorn done. See if you have some in the bottom that are not cooked, just leave them. Don't worry about it. Okay, but this is it. My popcorn is ready. Smoked paprika, butter, and here we go. Look at that. Look at this popcorn. It's really good, huh? This is it. Took about 3 minutes. Ah, perfect. There we go. Done.